Have you ever heard of the Falsa fruit, also known as gruya? This tiny purple fruit is packed with incredible health benefits. Found in South Asia, Falsa is a summer superfruit that keeps you cool and refreshed. It is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and iron, which boost immunity, fights fatigue, and even helps with digestion. Its tangy, sweet, sour taste makes it perfect for juices and cooling drinks. Falsa is used to treat heart, liver, and blood problems naturally. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your health and well-being, Falsa is a fruit you must try. Here are some ways to use it. Add a handful of fresh Falsa to your next smoothie or juice. And for an extra boost, try our Falsa gummies. They're delicious, chewy, and easy to take on the go. So don't wait.